Hello and welcome to the Busy Vegan Mom. Today we will be making a yummy acorn squash and chickpea soup, perfect for the fall. But before we do that, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my plant-based inspiration. You'll want to start by chopping 1 yellow onion. Also, friendly reminder, give this video a like. It does help out with my algorithm. I surely appreciate it. Next, you'll want to grab about 6 sweet peppers. I choose orange and red. A combination of both will be great. Be sure to chop them up and then set them aside. Now for the fun part, grab your acorn squash. These can be a little challenging to cut, so cut them up, whatever that may look like for you, whether that's cutting off the ends with a large sharp knife and just working the knife down the middle. Maybe you have a way sharper knife than I do, but just explore with this and play with this. Do whatever works best for you. Just make sure you take the insides out. I even did a little bit of peeling, seeing if I liked that idea, and then with the other slices, I just cut off the ends and then took the acorn squash out. And yeah, so hard work pays off. Look at all this beautiful acorn squash, nice and cubed, ready to go into our soup. You'll want to grab your nutritional yeast, pour about 1/4 cup of this into your heated pan or pot, and then you'll want to toast the nutritional yeast for just a bit. After that, we'll be adding our chopped onion to our pan or our pot, and then some basil. I have some fresh basil here, maybe equivalent to about 2 tablespoons. Add in some veggie broth and then just allow all of this to cook together for just a little bit, a few moments, and then add your chopped red sweet peppers, add your spices. I will link the full recipe below. Next, we're going to add in the chickpeas. I've used 2 cans of chickpeas here. Also add your squash and then the rest of your veggie broth. Finally, we're going to crank up the heat and allow our soup to come to a boil. Once we allow it to come to a boil, we're then going to turn the heat back down and let it simmer for a good 25 minutes, making sure that we stir it now and then, just getting all those flavors nice and mixed together and letting the squash settle in. And here we are. This is our acorn squash and chickpea soup. It was so good. When I tell you I didn't have to put any salt, any other flavorings other than exactly what this recipe called for, I mean it. It was perfect. It tasted so good all on its own. The flavors were amazing. I packed this for my daughter's lunch. I can't wait for you to try this at home. Let me know what you think. If you'd like to support my channel further, you can go to buymeacoffee.com/thebusyveganmom. I hope you enjoyed another fall recipe. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my plant-based inspiration. And again, hitting the like button truly helps with the algorithm. I will see you guys next time. Have a good day.